Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Victoria here. So in this video I want to show you how you can set up your knitting machine and as well as thread it. If you're new to this channel, please remember to like, subscribe and share, and let me know what you think about this video in the comments below. So let's do this. So this is how you start. Right here there are hooks. You just open them up and you remove this cover. Set it on the side. Now first this is movable. In order to attach it down here, just need to open up this. There are these two clamps which come in. Just there is a place you can just hook them in. This space provided down here. Just hook them here. You clamp the machine to the table, whichever table you use, and also here. So our machine is now unmovable. The next, this is a timer which comes in the machine. Just right on top of the machine there are these two, if you can see them, these two things are for attaching the counter. Just push it backwards and that it's unmovable. Then the carriage is always attached to a machine by another kind of a clamp, which you just open one of the knobs on the carriage and remove it. Then keep it here safely. Here, the carriage is now well movable. However, it's not complete. In our cover here, there is this other part of the carriage which we are going to get out. Just open this and it's free to come out. You get this and join it to the carriage by tying it, and that would be easy. Can't fall off as long as you tie the knots here. Then in the same cover we have this, the antenna. Put it aside, as well as that. This, you just put it on the side. Then all what we need to use for the moment, which is now that. So you will just, now on this, it has two antennas, these two smaller wires. So what you're going to do here, you can look at this arrow. There's an arrow just up here, so you follow the direction of the arrow and pull them out. Pull the antennas upwards, and then again these two upwards, so it comes off straight. Then there's this other rectangle part, just straighten it up, and this is what you place right behind there's a hole behind the row counter. It's just what you put in here and it will stand tall, and you pull your row counter. So, and you have your machine ready and set up, good to go. At the carriage there is the tension counter. Whichever tension you want to go to, it's what you dial tool. You can look at that, this here. And on this very carriage, there is this part here which helps you to count the number of rows. Just by clicking on the row counter, the rows are going to be counted. These are buttons for making designs. Whichever design you want to make, this makes the vertical designs in a sweater, scarf, whatever you want to do, and you push them back by just clicking here. Then this is for the card. This part here, it's where we put the card, and it keeps the designing card. Yes. So I'm going to show you how you can wire the thread, how you can do the threading. I'm using rubbing. It's 100% acrylic. So what you do, you take off the label and you roll up the thread a bit, so it will be easy for you to pull out the middle thread. You always work out from the middle thread. It's easier for you instead of this rolling out. So when you pull out from the inside one, it's easy to keep the thread going. So what you do, you come to your machine, then right behind here on the rectangle, there is that part. There is these two holes here, so it's where you first pass your thread like this, then come up here, after passing through the rectangle, you come up here on this part, you just pass it through here, and then there's also this front part where you just pass your thread, pull out one of the antennas, and you have threaded your antenna. Your machine, you can easily attach it on this. There's this hooking here where you can easily attach your thread and you can start your work like that. So where your thread passes, and then here, then you bring it to the antenna here, then down to this, and that's how you do the threading on a machine. Then you can start your knitting.